Take command of the road in the 2013 Mercedes-Benz CLS class. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this car offers power, spaciousness, and durability in a refined and innovative package. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, a power seat, high-intensity discharge headlights, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10-gigabyte hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.